On last season's finale of Flavor of Love, Elephant Man, it came down to 3 finalists and things got a little dirty.
Out the way, bitches, cause sweet meat is in the building. You need to let that chicken look. I'll slap the taste out of your mouth, baby. So you better leave it alone. You don't know me. You don't know me. I don't know me. What the hell is that?
That's turkey.
Oh.
Oh, hell no! Who boo-booed?
What did they compete for?
They don't call him Elephant Man for nothing, if you know what I mean.
Get out of here! Get out of here! It tastes like she's been eating cabbage.
Come in.
Ladies, good evening. I have a note here from Elephant Man.
The elephant bitch.
The Elephant Man would like to put his trunk in your junk. So be ready. Sweet me, girl. That's me, girl. That's me. You high yellow bitches can get a tan while I'm gone.
I want somebody to watch me for me and not my trunk. Would you take me to your home and introduce me to your folks?
I would be honored. My dad watches National Geographic all the time and he would love you.
Ooh, I like that. Mommy, how you gonna do that?
What's up, mama?
That hoe is out there kissing my man.
Hell no, that ain't your man, girl. That's my man. You over here crying and shit, honey. I don't know what you talking about.
Shut up! You dookie booty bitch!
I have something I want to tell you.
What is it, sweet meat?
Booty Doo, she was on a reality show and she had sex with somebody.
Oh, no.
She is not real. And I just don't want to see you get hurt again.
Well, thank you, sweet meat. I will look into it further. Now leave me. Booty Doo was lying to me, and I'm going to get to the bottom of it once and for all. Yellowbone is thick as hell, you know. Sweet meat is crazy as hell. And Booty Doo, oh Booty Doo, shot it on herself. But her doo-doo tasted good.
Please don't touch me.
It's going to be a hard decision for me to choose. So I'm going to need your help.
Why are you complaining?
Excuse me, what did you say?
Nothing, sir.
Ladies, come down. Booty Doo, is it true that you had sex on a reality show with an animal?
Well, I was gonna tell you, it was just a donkey show, and my agent got me on there a long time ago. It wasn't like that, you know what I'm saying? It's, you know.
That's nasty. As good as your dookie tasted, you must go. Leave. Yellowbone, you are thick as hell. Sweet meat, you kiss like an angel. But I only can choose one. Man boy, hand me my... Sweet meat, come and get your trunk.
Season 2 coming this summer.